Hey guys, and welcome back to Programming Done Right. So today we're going to be building a camera application. Well, this is the first part of the tutorial. So the whole camera application is going to be able to probably take photos, take videos. It's going to be doing a lot of things. So I thought that we'd start with a mirror application. So it's just going to show you what's happening. Like it's just going to mirror it to you, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the PowerShell window or command prompt or terminal if you're on Mac, whichever one you use. If you're on Windows, I recommend the command prompt. If you're on Mac, then I recommend the PowerShell window. I don't know about Linux. You're just going to have to see about that. Okay. So now what you want to write is pip install open. Wait, let's just check this out real quick. Yeah, right here. Pip install OpenCV Python. Sorry, it's a pretty long thing, so I don't want to butcher it just in case. And you want to press enter, and you want to install that. And you want to come back to the video when it is installed. Once it's installed, you just want to create a new file. So all you have to do is you just have to press new file on whichever IDE or idle you use. I use the default Python idle because I just like it like that. But if you use PyCharm, there's a lot of IDEs out there. There's like a VS Code, Visual Studio. I just like to use the very simple one just because I'm a simple person. I like to use the simple stuff. So yeah. Now all we want to write is import CV2. Okay. Basically what we're doing is we're importing what we just installed through the command prompt / terminal / whatever Linux uses. And then now we have to, and I know it's not like OpenCV Python, they just shortened it for the import. Okay, so now we want to initialize this this import. So we want to write video equals CV2.capture, video capture. Okay, this is the very important one. So you can write 1 or 0, okay? Yeah, I have to write 0 because this is very important. So basically what's going to happen is your camera might work with 1 and your camera might work with 0. It just depends on what your computer is. It's not operating system based. It just depends. So for me, 0 works, but basically I recommend just starting out 0. But if you get an error, put 1 here, okay? So, yeah, just put 1 here and just put 1 here, okay? So once you've done that, all you have to do is, now we have to see every single frame, okay? Because we're just going to be reading the frame and we're going to be showing the frames, right? And it's going to go really fast, so it's going to look like a video, but honestly, it's just a collection of images. That's how all these video softwares work. Okay, so now we just have to write ret for return frame equals video.read, okay? So all we're doing is we're reading each frame and we're returning it, okay? And once we've done that, we're just gonna write if, okay, so now what if they wanna quit, right? Yeah, they could probably escape the window, but this is a little cooler. Something that I really think everybody should add. Wait, and dot wait key, okay? And now you want to write 10, so it's going to check every 10 milliseconds. If you've clicked this key, then it's going to exit out of the program. So ord, and now you can write whatever key you want here. So I'm going to write Q, because I think Q is a cool key. For quit, now you just want to write break here, which basically means you're going to break out of the while loop or like escape out of the while loop and eventually end the program, right? And then now all you want to do is CV2. Now we actually have to show it. Show. We can name the camera, right? I'm just going to name it camera, you know, like in the top left. In the top left right here, it has like a word or something. So you can just name it. I'm just going to name it camera, not too hard. And then you just want to write frame. So it's going to display the frame. Once that's done, you're almost done. All you have to do now is you just have to destroy the window. You know, like if they break out of the while loop, then you just have to video.release. Your job is done. You can get out of here. and cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay? Done. And now you can name it camera cv2. Okay? Or actually, since we're going to be expanding on this, you might want to just name it camera application. Okay? And for me, I'm going to get an error. The reason is I'm actually using software to record myself, and then I don't have two cameras, of course, so it won't work if I also try and record through Python, but I tested this beforehand, and this does work, so you're good on that front. So yeah, that's it for this today. So let me know down in the comments if you do want a part 2. If you guys don't want a part 2, if you thought this video was lame, just leave that in the comments, so then I won't waste your time making a part 2. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you guys. Bye. Signing out now.